Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can show what you're playing on Discord mobile. So what you want to do is after opening Discord, click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're inside your profile, go on where it says privacy and safety. From inside privacy and safety, scroll all the way down until you see this option called activity status. Once you see activity status, it's going to show display current activity as a status message. Make sure that's on. Once that's on, scroll down again until you see this option called use data to customize my Discord experience. Turn that on as well. Once you do that, basically whichever game you play is going to be shown on your Discord. But remember, there are some games which if you play, it's not going to be displayed on Discord due to some privacy issue on iOS. So in that case, what you can do is come to your profile and just click on set status. From over here, click on set a custom status, and over here at the top you can type whatever you're playing. So let's say I'm playing GTA 5. I can write playing GTA 5 over here, and I can click on save, and on my status it's going to show playing GTA 5 as you guys can see. So you can even like set a custom status like that if you want to. So that's how you guys can show what you're playing on Discord mobile. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.